Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video let's learn about how to do adjusting in the worksheet. So adjusting in the sense how can we resize the column width and row height, and how can we delete and how can we insert a new column, cell or a row. So let's jump into our video. This was the example I have took. So here we have the table and column with the student name, marks, percentage and average marks. So now I want to insert a new cell. So basically I want to insert a new cell. So I want to insert the cell in this E5 cell. So to do that, I'll select the cell and I'll do a right click, and here you can see the option called insert. So once I click on this insert, a small pop-up will appear. So here we have four options. So first one is shift cell right. So once you click on this option, all the details like F, G and H, the values from these columns will be shifted to your right, and this E5 column will be empty. So as you can see, all the columns has been shifted to your right and this E5 column has been empty. In this way, we can say a cell has been inserted. So how to delete this? Same way, right click and delete option. So here shift cell left. As you can see, the base cell is this F5 column because that is the first value is there. So on your left column, I have to delete. So click on OK button. The E5 column has been deleted. Similarly, if I want to add a column below, like again insert, now I want to add the cell down. So down in the sense it will get added between the rows 4 and 5. So once you click on that, sorry, I have selected the different option. So let me again insert, click cell down. So once I click on this, the column E5, that is the column E5 has been dragged down. In this way, it has added between the fourth and the sixth column. So this is how you have to add the column any downwards. And the similar thing, you can see the format has also been copied. So to, if you want the format, let it be. If I don't want to format, we can clear the format by using this option. So again, if I want to delete the cell up. So as you can see, it has been deleted. So now I want to insert a row and insert a column. So to insert a row, so the default thing is if I keep a cursor on my sixth row, if I'm inserting a row, it will added on the top of this row. So observe here, I'm selecting the sixth row, right click and I'm giving insert. As soon as this happened, it has added on the top of the row. Similar way, if I want to insert a column, it will add up on your left side. So select the column and insert. As you can see, it has added on your left side. Same way, we have this right click option, right click, and we have this insert entire row. So it will added on the top. Similarly, I can delete it entire row and it will get deleted. Similarly, if I want to insert a column, entire column, it will add up on your left. Similarly, if I want to delete entire column. So this is how the row will always get add up on the top of the selected row, and the column will add on your left of the selected column. This is how we are adding, deleting the cells, so in multiple ways. So now what if I want to resize the column width and the row height? So I'll delete this extra row, right click and delete. Let's say if I have extended this column, see, you can see there was a space before and after this mark. So this is an unwanted space where like we can reduce the column size. We have two methods. So once I double click that, it will auto fit into that column, like how much the letters has taken the space of the column, it has auto fitted in that way. Or if again I'm expanding the column, or we have an option select the column. Here we have an option called column width. So once I click on the column width, let's say I want this column width to be 35. So I'm clicking on 35 and click on OK button. It is has been reduced. Again, if I want the column width, so it is not up to it. Again, I want to reduce, I'll say 25. So again, it has been reduced. So this is kind of a difficult way, because each time we have to check if the column width is aligned correct or not. The easiest way, just double tap it, auto fit into that. So this is auto fit is also one of the option and a very useful option to do work on this. Similarly, we have it for row as well. So as you can see here, Mary Smith. So on top and the bottom, you have a lot of space. So I don't want that space. Just double tap that row. It will auto fit. So we can do it in 3 to 4 rows as well. As you can see, Rahul Sharma, Sara and Alex, we have the spaces. Just select that, and anyone, anywhere in this selected rows, double tap, all the 4 will be auto fit into this. So this is one of the ways. Similarly, we have it in the column wise also. So if I want, like, I'll expand these columns, so and I want to fit it in. So I'll select the columns and I'll double tap, automatically it will fit it in. So this is where we can see the Excel in more presentable way. Otherwise it will be like here and there, and so this is one of the way where we can present the Excel in a nice way with our client or with our manager, with whomever we want. So in this video we have learned how to do resizing the row and column, and how to insert, how to delete a cell, row and columns. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.